Okay, this is our charging station inside the Jeep. I have this little box right here, which is connected directly to the battery. There's a little button behind it, but you can charge up to 6 items at once. We got 3 GoPro cameras, multiple batteries maybe, and then of course your 2 phones. And this is set up here. This here is only a pellet gun, but I'm taking it with us. It's a nice little thing to shoot every now and then, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, this is only during the daytime, so we put it away for or nighttime. This lighted stick is only, and it worked great last night, by the way. I went on a really rough trail, and it did exactly what it's supposed to do. So the strips do move, you know, side to side on the thing, but no big deal. That's why you have these spacers. They can never get close enough to touch each other. So it worked out great. Anyways, I just wanted to show you that charging station that we have, and that can charge up everything like in an hour and a half, a completely dead battery, maybe 2 hours. And of course the phones, they have chargers on them constantly. Even inside the Can-Am Maverick, I got 2 wires running to them. So anyway,